But there is but pen and this is a cover.
Go back.
I will be yours. Will you be my lover? What is your experience after parting?
Only I do first.
हॅलो काय स्वागत आहे तुमचं तुम्ही आमच्या ब्लॉग मध्ये. तर आज सगळेजण इंग्लिश बोलणार आहेत, तुम्हाला ओपन इंग्लिश बोलणार आहे.
What is it?
आणि इंग्लिश मध्ये सगळे एकमेकाला काय बोलणार आहेत ते कोणाला माहित नाही. मी कॅमेरा ऑन केला, आता कोणी बोलते की नाही ते माहित नाही ऑन. आता बोलू द्या, कारण ते मला माहिती आहे मी कॅमेरा ऑन केली की पोरं कोणी बोलणारच नाही. त्याच्यावर डबल कॅमेरा ऑन केला. आता इथे पब्लिक आपली इंग्लिश इंग्लिश
सुरुवात
इंग्लिश इंग्लिश.
सो फर्स्ट गेस्ट इज Abhijit Gise. So he is an architecture. This person is a graduation.
No, I'm architecture student, not architecture. It's just a degree and
what I
architecture
have,
is the professional.
what I have done, what I speak in the blog, you can check, you can recheck it for your confirmation. What I have speak in that. You can ask him whatever you have question.
Guys, I want to ask you a question.
नो नॉन व्हेज जोक.
It's not non-veg. Have you?
नॉन व्हेज जोक ब्रो.
Would you rather? Would you rather? Bro,
Yes.
you don't understand
Yes.
what did I say? You really don't understand what did I say?
Yes.
You understand, no?
Not understand.
No. Would you rather? Would you rather?
नो मराठी ब्रो, ओनली इंग्लिश.
No, I didn't get you. Could you repeat again? He's taking help of ChatGPT.
No. I'm just.
He's searching.
Actually, would you rather is the when Beer Bicep asked question in Summer show?
But what is meant?
Would you rather
What is meant?
with your parents?
if you know, you know.
Do you know?
I don't know.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का, ये अश्लील है ये लोना.
You know bro.
No, I don't know.
So, bro, what is ego?
I don't know. Because I didn't have ego.
So, according to me, ego is neither big nor bad. It's just a result of a lack of a self-awareness.
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
It fades away as you become aware of it, and awareness and ego cannot be coexist, according to me. So now, what is your name?
How can I would not like to tell my name, you know already.
Oh, here's Vinod, guys. Now he explained his own thoughts about ego. So tell them what is ego.
It is like his attitude.
Bro, we
Just
Seriously, कोण होतं?
बाबा असेल ना तूच बोल.
Mom.
नाही मला तर आलं नाही आणखी ना.
मला लय गंदा वाटत होता.
Someone is
Fucking.
hugging. I think.
प्रेम आलं लवकर.
कोण आहे?
Yash bro is
नाही मला तर नाही आलं.
I'm not. Guys, too much.
guys.
camera.
Guys.
He is partying.
ऐक ना शायरी सांग नाही कधी.
Fart. Bro, fart.
He is farting, bro.
He farting.
हे बरं ऐक ना, हे सांग ना.
English bro.
Can you say
What I
शायरी?
कादू सॉरी रा कट इट
Guys. Very shy, very you.
मोहन ब्रो यू आर फार्ट ना he fart. He farted.
Mohan bro is farting.
Yes. There is too bad smell.
काय बघतो bro?
We are making vlog. So what was your experience?
What is your experience after parting?
Only I do fart. I didn't fart.
He farted. Not. Have you came on your liking?
Sorry.
You have showed your liking. Don't take now. Don't take.
अरे काय करतोय ओनली इंग्लिश चॅलेंज
Only
So, bro,
So,
Grammar is
what
not
is
matter.
ego? What is ego?
ego.
Yes.
हाय ब्रो
Can you define?
कम कम
No, I.
No. You have to define because.
can I define?
ये define करेगा.
No. You can.
Bro, can I define?
Give up.
So I read this in.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
you have ना
Yeah, I have also. So he asking what is ego. So I read this sentence in. I don't remember this book name, but
काय
there is.
you are
But I didn't forget this sentence. Ego means
अरे you tell शायरी ना
shairi.
Yes, you are going to.
you are going to tell शायरी sorry my English is
This
very
is a
bad.
pen.
Can I?
This is a pen,
this is ना
and this is a cover. This is a pen, and this is a cover.
go back
I will be yours. Will you be my lover?
This is wrong. Wrong. Wrong.
That means, bro, this is Vinod style. His other name is, that is Vinod style. So guys,
So what is ego, Vinod?
guys I already told
अरे
थांब ना नको
इथे बोलताय
you tell शायरी bro you think
he is looking.
अरे here is bro not
No, bro, it is dangerous, bro. Keep it yourself.
guys this व्यक्तिमत्व is very good one no not much good
No, I am not yet fixed because I am Bikari guy and this is fear. I didn't have money.
भाई
All are paying for my.
Guys.
He is paying for my
Guys.
bill.
Focus,
Dinner.
camera.
He is paying for my what?
guys, this is
Otherwise,
My garibu.
what yes is saying,
Not tear now.
yes is saying, yes, do not have a money.
Yes, I am.
But yes, have a money when he go at.
I want to ask you one very important question. Where is Rajasthan?
Pass.
according to Yash Rajasthan is
What is your name? Vinod. So ask.
ask him
Don't give me kiss, bro. Keep it along. Why are you laughing?
No, along.
Okay, keep distance. That is comfortable.
Yeah.
Cut it.
I hear it
Cut it. All the things.
all
So what we do, or we take the help from the chat GPT and we will take
Script.
up the script whole
Okay.
and then we perform all the activities.
Okay.
Do it. It will go in good way. Yes, na? He will help you. You know very well chat.
What did you say about
his
what?
He can use very well.
his
very
behavior
well.
is like
I think
something
your
else
name is ChatGPT.
Yes, I know.
Have you installed this ChatGPT in your mobile?
This is yours. This is yours.
Mouth. This called as ChatGPT. Anyone can use. Can I?
No, bro, but you are experienced.
Please take out the script. Okay.
you have to take his picture
Yeah, and I will send you at your WhatsApp number.
I don't interested in all that things
Then you can upload at YouTube.
I don't interesting
But you are not interested. Your friends also interested.
my friends are also good they don't want to that all things they only need
You are saying
Good company.
You are saying you are decent.
I am not decent boy
You are not decent.
I am not decent boy
You are-
my family also know I am not decent boy
And your girlfriend?
I don't have girlfriend bro
I don't understand. Everyone is saying
We
like that.
have. That's his
he have a girlfriend. So one day he told us in lockdown he have girlfriend, but what happened? He have girlfriend na
He
in
lost.
lockdown.
He lost.
Ah.
Who else?
He has.
He has a girlfriend.
That day he told us
Yes.
the
Do
story
you
of
have a knife?
Knife.
Your cutter is here. Your
Chat
cutter.
GPT. देव को.
To give him. Please give him.
I will give you my name. Then can you cut your?
Sorry, bro. Sorry for you. What did I do? He has a girlfriend.
I am comfortable.
You are comfortable, but my audience didn't hear you na your voice.
Yeah.
So I give you.
What can I speak, bro? Now.
What do you want to speak? Speak. Only I need content.
What about today's traveling? Not today. Tomorrow. Allah ka choti. Oh, don't slap me, bro.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का ये अश्लील है ये लोना
Guys,
Guys, my time is over now. This is yes time. You can see. Yes, bro.
we have to plan na.
So guys,
Tomorrow's trip.
now it's time to
Goncham.
it's time to Kuncham ahead. It's time to who is taking our video. So we are transferring to him the mic. He will speak whatever he wants. So
Him.
to you.
Yeah. Guys,
The angle is good.
angle is very good.
Not
Hey, good.
okay.
This angle is good, but my camera is low quality.
Not problem. After some days we will going to purchase the iPhone. By
We
using
can't
same
reveal
content.
it now, bro.
No, by same content we can purchase, bro. That's our what? Mehnat.
Mehnat.
Hard work.
So guys,
No,
that's
hard
it.
work.
That's it for today. We are going to plan our next vlog content for tomorrow.
Last joke, bro.
Last joke. We have to.
So he is going to tell last joke.
नंतर कट करू. आज असं विचारायचं तू की याला गर्लफ्रेंड होती. म्हणजे आता काय विचार माहिती का तू? ही हॅड अ गर्लफ्रेंड बट दे ब्रोक अप. लगेच मी काय बोलणार माहिती का? वाय डिड शी फायनली सी हिज फेस?
So
अरे bro.
there is one content. So our last guy is
Last,
going to tell
follow.
something. So what?
विचार.
That's a script, bro. This joke is scripted. बाकी
Bro,
और-
this is original, bro. This is my
You
joke.
never
bro.
did.
you are ठीक है. then
You
cut,
said
then
yes.
cut.
You just said
Okay.
okay. He had a girlfriend.
काय?
So he have a girlfriend.
He
had a girlfriend.
He had a girlfriend.
Bro, first परत.
Guys, he had a girlfriend. Oh, bro, angle you are.
Okay.
Guys, he had a girlfriend,
Bro.
but they
What
break
did
up.
he say? Shreya's girlfriend. Did you play with Shreya's girlfriend? Yeah. But Shreya's. Did you have a girlfriend?
No.
He
Bal
have
brahmachari.
girlfriend. He is Bal Brahmachari. And he have girlfriend. And he also.
He is a smart
He
guy.
is a Bal Brahmachari.
No, he is not Bal brahmachari.
And he is very smart guy. And he
he-
have too much lots. What is your body count?
I don't say that.
These things we are going to
I
cut.
did not count.
You don't know. He is not from Nala Sopara.
Nala Subara Sanjay Dutt.
Yes. Hello guys. I want to
No.
share you one thing.
Don't share us
don't-
all your things.
Don't go on another topic. Don't.
You girlfriend don't also have to share with you.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
No.
Otherwise, I will go and sleep.
Shahidi, bro. Can I?
Who is motherfucker?
Oh, Abi. This is Abi.
Abhi bhi se.
Did you say who is motherfucker?
Abhi bhi
I think did you forget your
अभी विषय
Father, bro.
अभी विषय
that guy something
That guy is
weird. Do something weird.
He's very weird.
He doing weird things. He called someone at 4 a.m., 3 a.m.
And that
And what did he say? What did he say? What did he say to uncle?
I don't know.
Come up.
You.
you know G. AISSM.
In your ass.
AISSM.
In your back.
AISSM.
Sorry, bro. So I think this is non-veg, bro. Now I can pronounce.
He's talking with his item. Focus camera, please.
Item.
Show his.
He have lot of girlfriends, guys.
भाई एक पण भेटायची मुश्किल आहे भाई तिकट करा.
He is दुख्यात्मा, guys.
Yes. And we cannot. So we
Where-
cannot.
Where did you buy this?
Where did from I buy?
Yeah.
PS stations.
No, India from demand.
Do you need?
We have to go to DMart.
Yeah, I have also. I can do that.
You have also.
I have a pillow.
He has also, bro.
He have pillow.
You didn't see that.
Yes. Can you show me?
Can you show me?
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not interested.
Let's go.
Yes. I have one question for you.
Mike put.
You go there. If you see my pillow,
You both are in one frame.
then you will
Whenever Mike is near you, you only
use
look to
that
the.
word.
don't use abuse word, na?
Yeah, bro.
Why are you using abuse word?
Okay.
That's what.
My question for Yash.
No.
Yash. No. It's a good question.
So guys, that's it. That's all for today. My English is over because I'm now learning the English properly. तुटकी फुटकी English is okay for me to survive.
हा पूरा राडा काढून घ्या संगमनेरमध्ये.
Okay, bro.
So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. जय हिंद.